Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review. And in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about a deal that's going on right now, the Samsung Galaxy S9 from Cricket Wireless, and how they are messing with their dealers, man, and with these online deals. First and foremost, I would like to say that the LG V20 User HD definitely came out with this video, and then Mill Hustles as well. So they alerted me to this deal. I actually saw this deal beforehand as well, like a couple days ago, but I didn't really pick up the story. But thinking about it, I thought it was actually a store deal as well, but this is actually an online deal only, and it really grinds my gears because I used to work for Cricket Wireless for 2-3 years. I used to be an in-store rep, and as you can imagine, guys, in-store reps and stores, they usually suffer from customers not coming in, slow days, and all that stuff. And employees, they get commission based on what you buy in the store. So if you have deals online like this for $500 with the Samsung Galaxy S9, obviously there's going to be a lot of people that want to get this phone. Why make it online only? Why mess with your store dealers? Why mess with your employees and not give them all the tools to be able to sell phones and to be able to get commission and make your stores prosper? This really just it just really messes me up, man. This really just POs me for real, because those people are, they're people, man. They're people there that are, trying to make an honest living, trying to sell your phones for you, and there are store owners there that are trying to make, ends meet. They're trying to sell enough phones, and they're trying to sell enough accessories, and trying to do enough bill pays and all that to, keep the lights on. It's gonna be, keep in mind, guys, that franchisees could be people like me and you. Let's say me and you or whatever, couple of business partners or friends want to open a store. We hire some people and everything. It's like a big family eventually, guys. And it just really, like I said, POs me that, this kind of stuff happens at Cricket Wireless, because now, everybody that was going to go for this maybe in store, now it's only online only. And basically the people at the store managers, store owners, and everything are going to miss out on this opportunity to actually get this phone sold. And it's still going to be the same price in stores it usually is with the activation fee. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is John from Magic Tech Review. And once again, Cricket Wireless is just doing these things that I just don't like. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And comment down below what you think about this deal. Online, obviously, people are probably going to get it and whatnot, but it just kind of saddens me to see how Cricket Wireless is going with these whole online-only deals and not in-store, supporting their people and supporting, the people that are actually trying to put food on their table. Anyways, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.